Thinking about moving and wondering how much your belongings are really worth. Estimating the value of your goods is one of the smartest steps you can take before your move. It helps you choose the right moving insurance and protects you if anything gets lost or damaged. Start by making a detailed inventory of everything you plan to move. Go room by room and list big items like furniture, appliances, and electronics, along with smaller valuables such as jewelry, artwork, or collectibles. Next, assign a realistic value to each item. Use receipts if you have them, or look up the current replacement cost online. The goal isn't what you originally paid, but what it would cost to replace the item today. For furniture and household goods, estimate based on condition and age. A gently used sofa won't be worth the same as a new one, but it still has value. For electronics, note model numbers and purchase dates since newer devices hold more value. Then, add up the total value of all your belongings. This gives you a clear picture of how much insurance coverage you might need. Keep a copy of this list and take photos or videos of your items. It's proof of their condition if you ever need to file a claim. Remember, movers offer different levels of liability coverage, so knowing the true value of your goods helps you decide between basic protection or full value insurance. It might take a little time to put this list together, but it's worth it. You'll have peace of mind knowing your possessions are protected and properly valued before moving day. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.